That's right, 82 years old. I got interested in drones primarily because of my interest in photography. And all the drones that I have will take photographs. The first is a FPV, that is first person view drone, called an deterrent. It's a very small drone that you can fly inside your house. And I have a lot of fun flying that one. You'll notice that the first person view that I have is wearing goggles. And they're a little uncomfortable, but you get used to them after a while. And the battery runs out relatively quickly, but still a lot of fun. The second is a FPV drone called the FPV Mambo, made by the Parrot Drone Company. And I've had a lot of fun flying this one. It's very easy to fly. The view that you get from the camera, you can see it using your iPad or goggles as well. Although these goggles are very different than the ones that I wear when I'm flying the inductors, which you saw in earlier frames. See me in these goggles that I have on. I have my iPhone in here, and it's a split screen, so it looks like I'm seeing in 3D, although it's 2D, and I can see what the drone is seeing. The third is a Parrot Bebop 2. This is one of my first drones when I took a lot of videos, which you see in some of my YouTube videos. Pretty stable. It's GPS enabled. You can plan flight routes. It'll fly automatically and take pictures automatically. I don't use any goggles with this, although there is that capability. I use my iPad predominantly for seeing what the drone sees. Fourth is a DJI Phantom 4 Pro, which is my latest drone. It has a lot of new technology and excellent photographic capability. And you can fly this one with goggles and glasses, but I don't usually do that. I usually use my iPad to see what the drone sees. My fifth drone is a Diatone Crusader FPV racer. This drone I have not had much success in flying. Flown it a few times, crashed it, had to rebuild one of the motors. It's a very agile drone. They get up to 40, 50. Sometimes people say they'll get up to 100 miles an hour. Very tricky to fly. My Inductrix is what I'm using as a trainer. And when I work my way up, then maybe I will fly this Diatone sometime in the future. It does have a camera, but you use the camera primarily with the goggles to see what your drone is seeing so you don't crash into anything. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.